To start this recipe, let's make a Cajun compound butter. I wanted to make this instead of just adding spices to the pan because I was thinking about how good it would be spread on some PSMF toast. Grab about a stick's worth of softened butter and season it up with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt, a pinch of black pepper, and as much cayenne pepper as you want. Unless you like to moisturize with spicy butter, I suggest you grab a glove to mix this or mash it all together with a fork. Next up, let's take care of this chicken and shrimp. Please don't freak out that there's chicken and shrimp on the same pan, it's all about to be cooked at the same time. This is about 12 ounces of chicken breast and 10 large shrimp. For the chicken, cut it into long strips like you would for fajitas. Not sure why I did it that way, just how I wanted it. Next up, lay your shrimp down on your cutting board and carefully cut these in half. You don't have to split these if you don't want to. I just saw Chef John over at Food Wishes doing this and it made me want to give it a go. Go ahead and prep up the rest of your chicken and shrimp and we can now get to cooking. Add in 2 tablespoons of your butter and about a teaspoon of some other oil. The first thing I should have done to maximize this recipe is to let this melt completely and get hot. The next thing I should have done is cook all this meat in batches to get a good sear on every piece possible. But I threw in all my chicken and let it cook on one side for about 3 minutes before flipping. Once I flipped it, I scooted it over to make room for the shrimp. I let these cook for about 2 minutes before adding in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Let the cream reduce until thickened ideally. However, with a crowded pan, I decided to remove all of my meat and reduce the cream by itself. This is what made the best out of a not so tasty situation. Pour your reduced sauce over everything. Maybe top with a little parsley. Some lemon on the side. And a little more smoked paprika to really make the dish pop. Let's take this first bite, which is for my Patreon community, as always. If you're interested in joining, the link is down in the description below. Alright, despite having made some errors during the cooking process, I have to say this is pretty tasty. Creamy and spicy with a nice little acidic kick with the addition of the lemon. This feels like it'd be really good on top of something. Maybe pork rinds? I don't know, try it out and comment down below if you do. I think you'd be good on top of something too if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel.